custom channel URL is a very important and powerful tool, and here are 5 reasons why you need your very own custom channel URL. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're looking to start your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now the custom channel URL is a wonderful feature that turns your channel ID from this horrible long thing into a short, descript, brand sensible link. But before I deep dive into exactly why you need this custom channel URL and how it will help you, I want to know, have you got a custom channel URL? Do you use the custom channel URL feature, or are you completely lost and you don't even know how to set it up? Please leave a comment down below. Now, I have mentioned the custom channel URL on this channel many times. It's a feature that everybody must need and must use. If you need a tutorial on how to set up your custom channel URL, there is a link up here. But here are 5 reasons why you shouldn't ignore it. Number 1, it's much easier to use. If you're out on the street and you're talking to people, or you're sending an email to a prospective client, or you just generally want to show your friend, it's much easier to say go to youtube.com/Alan Spicer than it is to say go to this thing here that I can't remember because it's horrific and you want to make it as easy as possible for someone to remember your brand name to come and find you. 2. A custom channel URL is a great way to establish whether you're a business or whether you're here for fun and a hobby. In my case, on here, I am branded as /Alan Spicer. It's about me, my skills, my knowledge, and how I can help you. But in the case of PewDiePie, he wanted to go with his hobby, so he used his game name handle and it was PewDiePie. Emma Blackery used her own name, Emma Blackery, because she wanted to do music, but then she did vloggery for her second channel, so it depends. Emma Blackery for her music and her sketches, or vloggery for her more personal stuff. Or you can simply use your own company name. That way it's clearly business focused. Because 3, once you've established who you are, you can build a brand around you. Epic Rap Battles of History was clearly some form of brand name rather than just Phil and Lloyd. Come to think of it, I'm not quite sure it's Phil. Which kind of proves my point. Their brand is so strong that necessarily you don't need the personalities of the actors and the writers. You can put whoever you want into Epic Rap Battles of History and the content there is king. Or you can be a Roberto Blake who solely built his entire channel around him. His name, his skills, his consultancy, and he makes money hand over fist, all based on his reputation. 4, it's much more professional to offer go to youtube.com/Alan Spicer rather than it's channel ID something, or you can go to such and such website, or just have a look at my Facebook. One of my videos kind of there. If you want to take YouTube seriously, you need to think of your branding, and your custom channel URL helps your branding and makes you look more serious, more committed, and that way, more businesses are going to work with you that way. Because if you can take yourself seriously, they can take you more seriously. And finally, number 5, it helps with SEO. Kind of. Not only can you use a custom channel URL, but it can then become a tag, something that you put in your titles and your descriptions. It means that people can then search you by your username and your handle and find you. It also means you can go out and get the associated social media networks, so the Facebook, the Twitter, the Tumblr, the Insta-Whatsits, those kind of things that help build your brand, and then you can optimize around them. That way, if someone searches for your username on Google, they will find you and therefore helps you in the search engine optimization rankings. So kind of SEO. But if you want to learn how to create your own custom channel URL or even change it, there is a playlist up here. But those are the 5 reasons why you need a custom channel URL. For more tricks and tips, there's a free PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit the notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live or publish a video. Go out there, start creating.